Hybrids are transforming the pickup truck market, and this is the perfect moment to reveal the 3 best options. If you still believe hybrid vehicles exist only for fuel efficiency, these trucks will show you that electrified powertrains can handle real work, and in many ways, that hybrid trucks outperform their gas-only counterparts. Power, low-end torque, superior fuel efficiency. Let's check out the frontrunners of the hybrid pickup revolution. Number 3. Toyota Tacoma Hybrid. The mid-sized truck segment has a new performance leader, and it's wearing a hybrid badge. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid is producing numbers that put traditional gas engines to shame, starting with an impressive 465 pound-feet of torque, figures that dominate this class and leave competitors scrambling to catch up. Toyota's iForce Max hybrid system combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor positioned between the engine and transmission. The result is 326 horsepower and torque delivery that arrives exactly when you need it most. If you've ever struggled while towing a boat or felt your truck bogged down on a steep grade with a loaded trailer, that massive torque figure translates directly into the confidence you need. Whether you're pulling a trailer up a mountain pass or navigating technical off-road sections, the low-end grunt makes challenging situations feel effortless. Fuel economy sits around 24 miles per gallon combined, which is impressive compared to traditional mid-size pickups. When you consider the Tacoma's 18-gallon fuel tank, you're looking at legitimate long-distance capability without constant stops at the pump. But what really separates the Tacoma Hybrid from every other electrified truck is the range of dedicated off-road variants available. The TRD Pro and Trail Hunter models come exclusively with the hybrid powertrain, and they're loaded with serious equipment. The TRD Pro features a disconnecting front anti-roll bar, unique 2.5-inch dampers with remote reservoirs, and 33-inch Goodyear Territory RT tires. This isn't a hybrid that sacrifices capability for efficiency, it's a truck that enhances both. Now, it's not all perfect. The Tacoma Hybrid carries a significant price premium over gas-only models, with a TRD off-road starting around $49,000 and top trims pushing well into the $60,000 range. The added weight of the hybrid components also negates much of the power advantage when it comes to straight-line acceleration. Testing shows the hybrid models actually hit 60 miles per hour in the 7.6 to 7.7 second range, which is slower than their lighter gas-only counterparts. The hybrid battery pack also eliminates the under-seat storage area that's normally available in gas models, and towing capacity maxes out at 6,000 pounds, which trails gas-powered rivals. But despite these limitations, the Tacoma Hybrid represents something genuinely unique in the truck market. It's a mid-size pickup that prioritizes torque and off-road capability while delivering efficiency that makes daily driving less painful on your wallet. It proves that mid-size trucks can deliver serious performance, but if you're looking for maximum fuel efficiency without giving up truck capability, the next hybrid takes efficiency to a completely different level. Number 2. Ford Maverick Hybrid. The truck that started the compact pickup revolution is getting even better for 2026. The Ford Maverick Hybrid continues to dominate the fuel economy charts while adding capabilities that address its few remaining weaknesses. Let's start with the headline number: 42 miles per gallon in the city. For anyone tired of watching gas prices drain their budget every week, that figure represents genuine financial relief. The hybrid system pairs a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with an electric motor for a combined 191 horsepower, and the continuously variable automatic transmission maximizes efficiency. With the Maverick's nearly 14-gallon fuel tank, you're looking at over 500 miles of city driving on a single fill-up. No other pickup truck comes remotely close to that kind of range. But the biggest news for 2026 is the availability of all-wheel drive with the hybrid powertrain. Previous years restricted the hybrid to front-wheel drive, which limited its appeal for buyers in harsh climates or those needing extra traction. That limitation is gone. The all-wheel drive hybrid system unlocks the full 4,000-pound towing package, putting the Maverick Hybrid on equal footing with the turbocharged gas model in terms of capability. That 4,000-pound towing capacity handles small boats, utility trailers, and lightweight campers without breaking a sweat. Payload capacity sits at 1,500 pounds, which is respectable for this size class. The 4.5-foot bed might seem small, but Ford engineered it to fit 18 sheets of 4 by 8-foot plywood laid flat. A genuinely useful design feature that expands practical capability beyond what the dimensions suggest. The interior focuses on functionality over flash, which aligns perfectly with the Maverick's value proposition. The XLT trim adds 17-inch aluminum wheels, cruise control, power mirrors, and a power-locking tailgate for just $2,500 more than the base model. The 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes standard across all trims, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you've ever needed to power tools at a remote location, location or run a small appliance while camping, a 110-volt power outlet is available in the bed, adding worksite functionality that contractors and DIY enthusiasts appreciate. Starting prices remain exceptionally competitive, with the Hybrid XL starting under $30,000. That's thousands less than any comparable mid-size truck. Step up to the XLT with all-wheel drive and the tow package, and you're still under $35,000, which is a genuine bargain for what you're getting. For buyers prioritizing efficiency, value, and daily drivability over maximum capability, the Maverick Hybrid is nearly impossible to beat. It solves the core problem most truck owners actually face: getting decent fuel economy without sacrificing the utility of a pickup bed. The Maverick Hybrid excels at efficiency and affordability, but if you need full-size power and towing capacity while still benefiting from hybrid technology, there's only one choice that delivers without the reliability concerns plaguing its main competitor. Number 1. Toyota Tundra Hybrid. When it comes to full-size hybrid trucks, the 2026 Toyota Tundra Hybrid stands alone as the reliability choice. While Ford's F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid offers similar specifications on paper, that truck has been plagued by a concerning pattern of problems that make it difficult to recommend. The Tundra Hybrid delivers serious capability, with Toyota's legendary dependability backing it up. The iForce Max hybrid system in the Tundra is substantially more powerful than the gas-only version. The combination of a twin-turbo V6 and electric motor produces 437 horsepower and an impressive 583 pound-feet of torque. That torque figure is critical. It arrives at a low 2,400 RPM, which means you have immediate pulling power exactly when you need it for towing or hauling heavy loads. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just 5.6 seconds, which is genuinely quick for a full-size pickup weighing over 5,500 pounds. The 10-speed automatic transmission manages power delivery smoothly, and the hybrid system allows for electric-only driving at low speeds. Anyone who's owned a traditional body-on-frame truck knows the bouncy, unsettled ride they deliver when empty. The coil spring rear suspension provides a smoother, unladen ride quality compared to leaf spring competitors, making the Tundra substantially more comfortable for daily driving duties. Maximum towing capacity reaches 11,450 pounds in the limited trim with rear-wheel drive and the short bed. That's enough to handle large travel trailers, heavy equipment, and boat combinations that exceed what most owners will ever tow. Now, where the Tundra Hybrid separates itself from the F-150 PowerBoost is in its proven reliability record. The F-150 Hybrid has experienced battery charging problems, electrical glitches affecting throttle response, overheating warnings during towing, and integration issues between the gas engine and electric motor. Those problems add up to significant dealer visits and potential long-term ownership headaches. The Tundra's track record is considerably cleaner, with far fewer reports of hybrid-specific issues. Fuel economy delivers meaningful improvements over traditional full-size trucks. EPA ratings sit at 20 miles per gallon city, 24 miles per gallon highway, and 22 miles per gallon combined. Numbers that make the Tundra Hybrid noticeably cheaper to operate than V8-powered competitors. Pricing starts at around $60,000 for the limited trim, which comes well-equipped with remote start, keyless entry, power tailgate, and numerous convenience features. Also, Toyota's warranty coverage is exceptional, with hybrid components covered for 10 years or 150,000 miles, demonstrating the company's confidence in the system's long-term durability. That peace of mind is invaluable for buyers planning to keep their truck for the long haul. For anyone seeking a full-size hybrid pickup that prioritizes reliability alongside capability, the Tundra Hybrid is the obvious choice. It delivers the power and efficiency of electrification without the troubling pattern of problems affecting its primary competitor. The hybrid pickup truck landscape for 2026 offers distinct solutions depending on your priorities. The Tacoma Hybrid dominates mid-size territory with class-leading torque and dedicated off-road variants. The Maverick Hybrid continues its reign as the efficiency champion, now with all-wheel drive and proper towing capacity, and the Tundra Hybrid stands as the full-size reliability benchmark, delivering V8-level performance with fuel economy that actually makes sense for daily driving. Each truck represents a different approach to solving the fuel efficiency problem without sacrificing the capabilities that make pickup trucks useful in the first place. For those interested in the Tundra Hybrid, make sure to check out our video about every trim level offered in this full-size truck. If you're looking for an honest evaluation, this is the right video for you. Although some versions seem overpriced at first, things become much clearer and the price gets justified once you take a closer look.